Picture the scene. Mom, my school teacher says that all black people have ever been throughout history is someone else's slaves. Is this true? Mom, dad, uncle, it really doesn't matter. What matters is how would you answer the question? Be honest now. Would you A, shut down the conversation? Would you B, murmur some vague claim that you know you can't substantiate, such as we were once great? Would you C, bow your head in shame? You know what? I'm going to give you D, a fourth option. Master your history and heritage. Class is in session. How much black history or African heritage do you know? Let me set you a task. Keep this tab open, but also open a new tab and Google images of these places. Gondar in Ethiopia, Gondar, Husuni Kubwa in Tanzania, Husuni Kubwa. What did you find? What came up? What were the images? Castles in Africa, ruins of a 14th century palace that clearly has ruins of an indoor swimming pool. But this raises some big questions. How comes no one is talking about this heritage? How comes no one is showing you this heritage that you can look on with a sense of pride and connection? Here is the biggest question of them all. How can you pass on this pride to your children if you were never taught about it yourself? Greetings. My name's Robin Walker. I'm also known as the Black History Man. I am perhaps best known for my 2006 book, When We Ruled. Based on this book, I'm launching a new online history course aimed at you, the adults. We want people all over the world to be empowered by our content. You could be in London, in Toxteth, in New York, Atlanta, Kingston, Port of Spain, Accra, Abuja, Johannesburg, Nairobi, everywhere. We want you to gain mastery over your history and heritage. To subscribe to our course, click on the link to get this powerful, life-changing material. History and identity are big concepts that many people in our community struggle with. A big reason for this is that black history and African heritage is hardly taught anywhere. Schools, colleges, universities, institutions, all are agreed in not teaching this history and heritage. It has been kept secret. Consequently, most people in our community feel culturally empty. Most of us feel our heritage is lesser than compared to other people's heritage. However, I am changing this. With your support, we can change this. We can change this sense of emptiness to a sense of pride. We can change the mentality in our communities from a negative sense of self-worth to a positive sense of self-worth. Over the last 30 years, I've put together courses, workshops, lectures, museum tours and conferences on Black history and African heritage to teach and inspire the people. But my courses were only taught in the British cities of London, Birmingham, Bristol, Liverpool, Bradford and Leeds. If you were on those courses, I salute you. But I could not reach everybody. We are changing this too. Together with my colleagues, we are launching an adult education online program aimed at you. It is called The Black Secret. Based on the book When We Ruled, we are offering you access to the most detailed Black history and adult education program ever. Many years ago, the legendary professor John Henrik Clarke proposed a Black History or African Heritage course. Brilliant though it was, and it was brilliant, ours is even more complete. Some people have told me that they know this information already. Others have said that in the information age of the internet, it is impossible to keep Black history a secret. Really? Let me show you a piece of film footage that I use as teaching material in my London classes. I show it to my students to get their impression of what exactly is going on.
We're watching now the Governor General as she now heads towards the Senate chamber, followed by the Prime Minister, the Leader of the Government in the Senate, Commissioner of the RCMP, and the Head of the Armed Forces. That is the official procession. The Senate is called to order as they arrive, and the process now begins for the reading of the speech from the throne. Governor General takes her chair. The Prime Minister will sit in that chair just to the side.
Veuillez be seated. Veuillez vous asseoir.
Of course, North American viewers will know that this was Canada's former acting head of state, Her Excellency Michaëlle Jean, opening Canada's state opening of Parliament 2008. Oh, but Robin, we knew this. Okay, what about this? What if I told you that this distinguished lady is a princess in a Central European royal household who is addressed as Her Serene Highness? What if I told you that? You see, it's not just Meghan Markle. This particular distinguished lady is Princess Angela of Liechtenstein. In fact, in your own time, you may wish to Google search images of the Archduchess Leigh von Habsburg of the Habsburg dynasty and Countess Mary von Habsburg, again of the Habsburg dynasty. Of course, the Black Secret is online. You can get the content at any time or place at your convenience. We want people from all over the world to master our content. You could be in New York, Atlanta, Kingston, the Port of Spain, Accra, Abuja, Johannesburg, Nairobi, everywhere. We welcome you all. The workshop and lectures were originally filmed in a London classroom. Now people from all over the world are welcome to join us. Click on the link below or subscribe to get more information. Class is in session. As a thank you for visiting our website, we are giving you a free copy of our exclusive 100 Black History Facts, which is in fact a taster of our course content. Make sure you leave your email address and we will send it right to you. We hope it inspires you to dig deeper into your history and heritage.